another warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. Guys, in today's video, I want to do a refresh of my floor mats in this bathroom. You guys, if you haven't seen my full bathroom tour, I'm going to link it down below or up here. But anyways, it is really messy. I need a deep clean. My bathroom is one of my sanctuaries in my house. I love me a clean bathroom. And I know most people, honestly, I think we always talk about like the kitchen and the bathroom have to be super clean. And so I want to spend some time deep cleaning, and I am going to show you guys these mats that I got for the floor, because what I have right now, they look really bad. So I think this bathroom for sure needs a refresh. This is not going to be a long video, so I am going to show you guys what it looks like at the end. But for right now, I am just going to start cleaning. But one way I save on bath soap is actually to buy it in bulk. This company is the Ginger Lily Farms. I'm telling you, this is the bomb. The smell of the ocean breeze is so amazing, but it also lathers so well. My family uses this for at least 6 months, and man, we save a lot of money on it. This was on sale for like $14, so you might want to check it out on Amazon. And then I got these bottles for like 3 of this for like, I think it was like $9 or so. And so all I do is use the fan mold and just fill it up. So you might want to check that out. Well guys, and that is it. It was quick. It was really just changing the floor mat. Let me know what you guys think. They both say get naked. I think it matches my decor. Let me know please down in the comment section. What do you guys like this look? And guys, continue to support us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until next time, cheers.